we want to cut sternum, which is soft bone but still, and immediately below sternum we have heart. So if I take scalpel, I will cut here. I will, well, 90% I will cut the heart. So we have to make protection. Okay, I put, and you see tweezer is long. Now, immediately below ribs, I make hole in the, more or less, in the middle. It's not very in the middle, but okay, better if it's mid-sagittal position. Now, I will go inside and I will move tweezer up. And then I will go, and I will go here. And now I have everything in thoracic cavity protected. And then I will step by step. Okay, now at the moment when we open, we can see first what we see, this is heart with pericardium. Then on the side we'll see lung tissue, and here attached to pericardium we have parietal pleura. Now I want to go inside, and here this tissue is, what do you think? This is between abdominal and thoracic cavity. You see this? Diaphragm. So this is this flat, strong muscle. And immediately below, at the top of abdominal cavity, I have huge liver. I don't want to destroy liver. So I will go inside with this portion of scissors, and I will cut down. Then I will repeat this on the other side. Okay. Okay, now what we have here, we have this tissue, and this is thymus number 3. These guys, they have thoracic thymus, so 1, 2, 3. And since thymus is very important for immune system, we can suggest that in pigs immune system is really good, and this is true. Now you see a diaphragm, and in exam I will ask you about everything, anything above diaphragm, including diaphragm. When I show diaphragm with a pin, I will go inside like, okay, 1, 2, 3 times, like through with thread. Okay, you understand what I mean? Okay. Okay, so it will be pin within diaphragm, and pin will be with number, and it will be number of question. Now I want to remove this, and on the left side I want to do this very deep, and you will see soon why. And you will separate this and cut off. Okay?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, you will separate skin and do the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what we can see here, lungs, lobes of the lungs, pericardium, and I will cut here, and I will move. Okay. And I will move pericardium to the top. Okay, now thymus, unfortunately, we look at thymus and we have to remove because it sits on blood vessels. We want to see them clearly. So carefully, and each time I take something, I move it up. And when you cut, you have to see carefully what you cut. If you don't see, you can destroy something. You will remove this carefully, okay? This piece. Now, look here. What is, do you see from there? Okay, what is this? What is this?
Right atrium?
This is part of atrium. This is not atrium. You can do the same here. No? Okay, do you see something? No? Yeah, remove this. What is this? This is auricle, which is part of atrium. And I put pin here. This is left auricle, and it should be auricle plus side. This is right auricle. So this is heart. Here, here we have blood vessels. And what is this blood vessel? No. Huh? No, 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 no. Two largest attached to the heart. This is not aorta. This is pulmonary trunk. Okay? And behind pulmonary trunk, we have aortic arch. It's also whitish here. And this is this. Okay? So I will ask you about this, and I will ask you about this, this. Now, if you want to see epicardium, which is visceral pericardium, this is this. You see this thin? Thin, semi-transparent, strongly attached to the heart. This is, of course, it's clear. This is part of the heart wall, epicardium. Now, here we have blood vessel, which is analogous to, it has a slightly different name. This is here in blue. Okay. This is cava superior. And here, another strong bluish. This is cava vena cava inferior. Now it's bluish and it's also bluish, and it's very careful because they're very soft. But arteries, aorta, and pulmonary trunk and aorta, they're not pink or bluish. Why? Because they have very strong wall, and stain inside is not seen from outside. Okay? Now, and the last thing I want to show you. Yeah, look at a list of topics for exam. And for this, you have to go to this site. Go here. And you see?
I'm looking through her camera.
Could you move closer?
Yeah, I can see from here.
Okay. Now, you see here we have, and you will come after them. You see here we have two tubes, one whitish, and the second is, well, reddish. What do you think? What is this? Hmm? Any ideas? Okay, this is one. You see this?
Would that be thoracic aorta?
Yes, sir. This is thoracic aorta. And to the right, this is very soft tube. We already could see this tube behind trachea.
Esophagus?
Yeah, this is esophagus. So it goes from here, then will penetrate in through special foramen. Hole will go below diaphragm and will go to stomach. Okay. So these two things we also have to know. Okay. Now come here, and you will move there, and they will come here. Come here. Come. Did you see? You come.
I didn't see this
Okay,
part.
okay, come here.